Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Step forward on your right foot, turning so that you are facing slightly to the left, then bring your foot back. Step in place on your right foot, then your left foot, then your right foot again. Step in place on your left foot, then kick forward and to the left with your right foot before bringing it back down. Step in place on your left foot, then right foot. Lift your left foot up and spin to the right until you are facing the camera again, then bring your left foot back down. Step in place on your right foot, then left foot. Lift your right foot up and bring it near your left foot, then slide it forward over the ground and bring it back up. Bring your left foot off the ground before your right foot comes back down over to the right, then bring your left foot down as well. Bring both arms out, slightly away from your sides, then quickly place your left hand on the inside of your right elbow and look down. Wait for one count, then look up and raise your arms, keeping them in their previous positions. Wait one count, then bring your fists in front of your chest with your elbows pointing out to either side. Open your hands as you move them out, then move them back into your chest as you look down. Extend your arms straight out toward the camera, then move them out to either side before lowering them to your sides. Extend the index finger of your right hand, then move your hand up so that you are pointing to the camera before pointing up and to the right and looking in the same direction. Fold your right arm over your left arm as you lean forward, resting your head on your arm so that you are looking to the left. Wait one count, then move your arms in 2 clockwise circles before standing up straight, looking at the camera, and extending both arms straight out in front of you with your palms facing down. Slide your left foot a bit closer to your right foot. Look down as you lower your arms until your fingers are pointing toward the floor. Keep your eyes on your hands as you swing both arms over to the left, then swing them over to the right and lift your right foot off the floor. Bring your right foot back down, then look to the left as you bend both elbows and bring your right arm up vertically, and place your left hand over your right hand so that your fingers are pointing to the right. Pull both hands to the left as you look to the right. Wait one count, then drop your left, then right arm, keeping them slightly away from your sides. Take a few steps around your area, then plant both feet and point to the right with your right hand on the red side, and to the left with your left hand on the black side. Wait one count. Move both arms slightly away from your sides and bring your right foot up behind you. Hop on your left foot 4 times, turning to the left as you do so. Drop your left hand as you twirl your right hand up near your chest so that your elbow is pointing out to the right, then bring your right foot down. Repeat sections 1 and 2 of part 1. Repeat section 1 of part 3. Step in place on your right foot as you bend your right elbow, bringing your hand in front of your chest, then bring your left foot near your right foot as you move your right hand over to the right, keeping your elbow bent. Step in place on your right foot again as you bring your right hand up further and in again, then step in place on your left foot as you move your right hand over to the right. Repeat all of these moves 3 more times. Step over to the right on your right foot as you bring your right hand up further, then extend your right hand down into the right as you step behind your right foot with your left foot. Bring your left foot back out and your right hand back up, then extend your right arm down into the left as you step behind your left foot with your right foot. Lower both arms and turn to the right until you are facing the camera again by taking 4 steps, starting on the right foot. Plant your right foot out to the right as you extend your right arm straight out toward the camera with your index finger pointing up. Bring your right hand back in slightly, then extend both arms toward the camera with your fingers spread out. Bring your right hand back in again as you lower your left arm, then extend your right arm once more with only your thumb curled in. Drop your right arm as you look down, then look back up at the camera, extend both arms out in front of you, and wave your hands. Repeat the 3rd count of section 4 of part 1, but move your right arm up slowly. Hold this pose for 1 count, then drop your arms before moving on to the next part. Repeat section 5 of part 1. Repeat sections 2 and 3 of part 3. Repeat the first 4 counts of section 4 of part 3, then take a few steps toward the center and plant both feet. On the red side, bring your hands up and to the left, and on the black side, bring your hands up and to the right. On both sides, move your hands down and toward the center, one at a time. On the red side, kneel down on your right knee as you extend your right arm straight out to the left and bring your left hand in front of your right shoulder with your palm facing out. On the black side, bend your knees slightly, turning your left knee to the right as you extend your left arm straight out to the right and bring your right hand in front of your left elbow with your palm facing out.